If I could just remind you, show you what my hands can do, let them become what words are meant to be. Oh, I know.
Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing this hair, and this hair is from Longqi hair on Amazon, and it says Longqi Brazilian natural wave 3 bundles wet and wavy human hair weave bundles cheap Remy human hair. Anyway, it says Longqi here, but actually the seller is Dinose or Dinose, I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Dinose or Dinose or Dinose. Dinose or Dinose. I don't know. So yeah, so this is the Longqi Brazilian natural wave 3 bundles wet and wavy human hair weave bundles, and it says cheap Remy human hair extension, and I got 18 inch, 20 inch and 22 inch, and this is a frontal, and the frontal is a, yeah, so the frontal is a 14 inch frontal, very nice. And as you can see, this is how long the frontal is from here. I'm going to show you the hair and all the details of the hair and so forth, so you can have an idea of how it looked before I actually installed it. Installing this hair wasn't like a big problem. I didn't have any problems installing it. I must say it is a 10A Brazilian hair. So it's 10, so the texture is a little bit soft and nice, and it just feels good, and it's very light. So in terms of, let me start first with when I received the hair. When I received the hair, I'll show you a clip of how the hair looked and so forth. When I received it, it was true to length and so forth. I didn't have any problems with that. In terms of smell, the hair, I don't know, the bundles, they had a very good smell. Like, this is the first time I've ever had a hair that actually smells good. The hair smelled as if they washed it, I don't know, and put some conditioner or something in it, but the hair came and it smelled really, it didn't smell good, but it just smelled like, you know what I'm saying, when you shampoo your hair and you put a nice, not strong smelling shampoo, but a nice shampoo, that's how the hair smelled. I was so surprised, like, what? The hair smells so good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so the hair came with a good smell. And in terms of shedding, I didn't really experience a lot of shedding with this hair. I don't know if it's because it's 10A Brazilian hair, and I don't know if it has less, the ability for it to shed is less, or I don't know, but I didn't really experience shedding with the hair. And one of the reasons why I didn't really experience shedding was because I didn't use, what should I say now, I didn't cut my wefts. I did the fold over method. So I guess doing the fold over method, it decreases the chances of the hair shedding and so forth, or it decreases the amount of shedding that you would experience with the hair. You know what I'm saying? So I did the fold over method, and I only did it in order to avoid any kind of like over shedding and so forth, and it really worked. So I didn't really experience any shedding. And guys, this review is my initial review. So I just installed the hair. I haven't worn it or anything. I just installed it, wear it. I've been wearing the hair since this morning. Yeah, I was just wearing it and just being cute. Yeah, so this is my initial review, as I said. So yeah, so that's what I experienced with the hair. Installing the hair, no problems. Like installing it, regular installation. The frontal now is a 13x4 frontal, so it's 13 width and 4 length. So yeah, so the frontal starts from here and it goes right back to where my hand is. So you get 4 inches of you know, parting space. Very nice, pretty, you know, customary, or what do you say now, pretty standard. And yeah, I didn't have any problems. The lace was dark brown lace. So as I said before in all my videos, I don't bleach any of my frontals. The only thing I do is tint the lace. Yeah, pretty much that's all I do. I don't do anything, just wash the hair and tint the lace. That's it. Yeah, and I use foundation, pressed powder to tint the lace, and that's it. Yeah, so the hair, the frontal, the lace was dark brown. That's what I received. It was that, like, this frontal was a little bit lighter than the frontals that I've received from Amazon and Aliexpress, but it was fine when I did my, you know, little trick and tinting it and so forth. One more thing. When I installed this hair specifically, I didn't really do the bald cap method, but right now I have a stocking cap on my head. I just basically cut the stocking cap and put some glue on it, put some glue on the stocking cap, tint the stocking cap and put some glue on it, allow it to dry, and then put on the frontal. I'm not sure if that's the ball cap method, but I didn't go through any. It took me like maybe 15 minutes to just do that. Put on the cap, tint the cap, and I basically cut off the front of that elastic part that keeps the cap together. I cut that part off, and then I put it onto my head. I cut it before I actually put the gel on it, the got to be glue gel. I put the gel on it and I get the blow dryer, and I, you know, until it got tacky, and then I just put on the frontal or the wig, and that was pretty much it. I'm not sure if that's the bald cap method, but it took me, it was pretty easy. And yeah, I kind of like the bald cap method because, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, maybe I have to zoom it in, but as you can see, it allows the hair to look very natural. And also, as you can see, I didn't use glue to gel down the frontal. I didn't use glue. I just ensured that I cut the hair properly and I cut the baby hairs properly, so I could, you know, the hair is like free, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have to do anything much with the hair. I just take the toothbrush and I just create my own baby hairs without any gel or anything, because I kind of like the free, what do you call it now, free baby hairs without any, like, the not, how do you say now, the unslicked baby hairs. Yeah, I like it when it's just, you know, the hairs are free. It looks more natural, and yeah, it kind of mimics my real baby hairs, although I don't have any. But you know, so yes guys, as I was saying before my camera cut off, it's a thing now with my camera. You know, as I said before, I really like this method because it ensures that I don't have to like paste down my baby hairs and so forth. I can just stick it down naturally, and that's what I like, that natural look. So you can see, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's the look that I like. But guys, this hair is very nice. I don't know, I like it. I love the texture. It's very nice, very nice. As I said before, it's an 18-inch, 20-inch, and a 22-inch with a 14-inch front, 14-inch frontal, and it's a 10A Brazilian natural wave hair. Yes, it's from Longqi. Dinoce is the seller, and it's pretty nice. No problems so far. Yeah, I love the natural curls. You know, these are the natural curls. I washed it, and these are the natural curls. They're very nice. So this hair is like this type of hair, I think you don't really have to do much with it. You don't have to curl it, you don't have to do anything with it. You can just wake up in the morning, put it on, and you know, maybe spray it with some moisturizer, or what do you say now, some essential oils, and you're good to go. But just don't overdo it with too much product, because it will make the hair look dead instead of full, you know what I'm saying? In order for it to be like really full, you just have to let it stay in its natural state. Well guys, I'm loving this hair. As you can see, this is how long it is. Very nice. This is how the length, and this is how it looks from the back. Yeah, this is a 22-inch. Can you believe that? 22-inch, almost my butt. You know what I'm saying? And I am 5 feet 8 inches, so it's very long for a 22-inch hair. Yeah, very nice, very nice. And basically what I did though, I put the 20 inch at the back, the 22-inch, that's what I did. The 22-inch, no, the 20-inch at the back, the 18-inch in the middle, and the 22-inch at the top. Yeah, that's what I did. So I don't know, that's in my head, it would just look better. Well guys, this hair is beautiful. I love it. Love the frontal, it's very nice. And I love this method of, you know, putting on your wig, because I'm not really for the, I'm for the natural look. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but it looks very natural. As you can see, I don't know if I'm supposed to, if guys, if you are interested in me installing the wigs and so forth, you know, you can leave a comment. I don't know who's interested. Whoever watches this and you think that you want to know how I do it. You know, if you want to know how I put on my my wigs or install my wigs, you can let me know. Whoever wants to know how I do it, I know that lots of videos are out there, but if you want to know how an amateur puts on their or install their wig, leave a comment. Yeah, because I'm not a professional. But guys, yes, this hair is a Longqi hair, natural wave, as you can see, and I am loving it. I am really loving it. I just decided to do a style or something at the top, because I was like confused. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with the hair? Because I didn't know how to style it. But I'm just going to continue playing with it and find out how I can style this hair. You know, something that can suit my face or something that fits me. You know what I'm saying? Because even though I want it to look nice and so forth, I don't want to do certain styles that will cause the hair to look wiggy, because I'm not really for the wiggy look. So yeah, that's why I'm just trying to play around with the hair to find out what I can do to make it look natural. And I'm loving this vampy look, you know, very vampy fall look. Yeah. So guys, yes, as I said before, this hair is very nice. As I said, I love it. Like, yeah, I really like it.
Damn. I done fucked around and let these niggas in. Didn't play my part, but I wanted to win. Now you're suffering, trying to hold it in. Still you call